Okay, so we are going to play a simple, that's the Highlife song on the keyboard as you saw first. So this is how it goes. So on the screen you will see the keys being displayed there. So let's play it slowly one more time. But you must observe that your fingers must be positioned on the keys that you are playing. So without any difficulty. Okay. So it can be at one side, and observe the left side also. So it's the old tune, that's the Adadaamu. Okay, so once this one is going, okay, so okay, so this is the old one, but one thing is the left side, while playing this, the right hand side, if you're not careful, you'll be confused on how to play the left one. So with this one, so this one will be moving do, then you come to the so, fa, re, so, do. Okay. Okay, so the next one is okay, so okay, let me play it once again. Don't worry, we come back to the left side. So okay, so let's play it once again. Okay. Now, one thing is, when we get to the second one, that is here we have another style of playing it. You can go by the or okay. Okay, so let me blend all together. Okay, so okay, so we will add all together in a slow movement, almost, so that you get how I played it. Okay, so let's play it once again. So one thing is, if you decide that you play it one by one, so you position your fingers. So this one, while this one is playing, you can play this one. This is the A key, or yes, as you can see. So you can press these two together without, or instead of playing this one, you can play these two. You see that the blending of the two gives a different sound than playing just the one key here. Okay. This key. Okay. Like so this one instead of this. And on the first one, I also play something on the back end side, that is okay. So that one also, let me go it. Let me play slowly so that you get to know it. You see, it is like this. Bam, 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 bam. Take note, with the right hand side, the key that you play, that's the major key that you play here, will be the left hand side, the key that you play. So if this is Re, I'll play Re here. So if this is Do, I'll press the Do here. And if it is So, the So key is what I'll play here. Okay. So let's move on. So if you are observing the Do one here, you see that the left side also, that's the one that I'm playing. And there are some spicy other thing that you can add to it. Instead of with this one, I said you can play it. Okay, so one also. So it depends on how you move the fingers during the backing style. I can keep my fingers glued to the keys, without moving it so fast. Or I can just play it in different style. The first one is like this. Then we have okay. playing any high life music, the way you play other tunes in addition to it makes the song differ. So like